Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stake on the KuCoin mobile application. First of all, let me tell you a little bit about what staking is. Staking is the art of basically lending your crypto to the cryptocurrency coin pool, which allows for them to accumulate value, and according upon this value, they provide you with a certain interest. And that interest is how you make money through basically lending them your cryptocurrency and adding it to the pool. You make money, and the rate at how much money you make is determined by the cryptocurrencies in terms and condition themselves. So let's just go that specific page and show you how much percentages are being offered. So just go to the search bar and simply search for stake, and this is what you are going to see. You will see all of the current currencies that you earn or you can stake essentially. Now, let's say I'm going to take this one here. Now, this currency specifically is giving you a 0.5% APY, and it's flexible. Flexible means you can take that money out whenever you want. You can unstake whenever you want. There are also fixed holdings, which are agreed holdings that last for approximately 30 to 60 to how many days you do specify, and you get a better range of API on that because it's fixed earning, it's fixed, so it allows for a better commitment and a better rate. Similarly, we have a lot. It goes up as well. If you have staking STDX, it has 4.55%. And how you do that is you enter the amount of staking, the subscription date is provided, the accrual date will be provided, the profit distribution date would be exactly 2 months from now. Because this is flexible, this is a 14-day period, so it will take 14 days. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.